Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created these quick and easy passion twists. It did take me about 5 hours to finish these, and you guys, I'm obsessed, okay? I think they're so cute. They were just so easy to do, you guys. Like, if you were thinking about getting these and you're like trying to make an appointment with somebody, just go online, watch a few YouTube videos. I'm telling you, you can do it, you guys. You guys know I just took out my box braids, and those were a headache to go to sleep with, okay? Let me tell you. But with these, they're so lightweight, I don't even feel them. They're just bomb, okay? So I'm going to show you guys how I created these. So if you guys want to see how I created these passion twists, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I took out the two in the front so I can show you guys how I did them. You guys, I'm no hairstylist at all. I just don't like paying people to do my hair. So if I can hop on YouTube and learn how to do it myself, I would do that in a heartbeat. So I'm just putting a little oil on my parts because my hair is really dry. I use two colors of the Freetress Bohemian Braid. So majority of my hair is in color 2, and then for the highlight pieces I use the color 30. I'll put a picture on the screen of what the packaging actually looked like because I lost like the cover sheet, I guess that's what you want to call it. So I used a few of these in my hair just to give my hair some highlights, and then I used the color 4 because I didn't want to use like a 1B because I wanted to have like a more natural look, and I didn't want it to be too big of a contrast between this color and the 1 or the 1B, so I just used the 2. This is what a single strand of the Bohemian braid looks like. So I used 3 pieces for each section to create my twist. So you just take the 3 pieces, and then I like to feather them so I don't put them all at the same length. So like this one's going to be a little bit longer on the end, and then I just take this one and I put this one there so they're not too even. You just want them to be like a little staggered so the ends aren't too thick. So here you have 3 pieces. So I just went ahead with it, randomly went through it just to fluff it up a bit. And yeah, you just take the comb and just like go through it. I mean, you can use a brush for this, but I'm using a comb because I didn't bring my brush in here. So you want to make it a little messy, not too messy where you have like a big knot of hair. So just make it a little messy like that. Then for your section of hair, you want to go ahead and rubber band it. So before you put the rubber band, you want to go ahead and use some edge control or gel. Pretty much whatever you want to use would work best for your hair, and you want to put that on there so that your hair blends well with the Freetress hair, especially if you're natural. So you just take it and put it on the base, and then you just take your rubber band and rubber band the section. And it doesn't have to be super tight because you are going to crochet the hair through the base like that. So you just have it sectioned off. And then I'm going to use gel. It doesn't really matter what you do choose to use. I'm going to use my Wetline Extreme gel, and I'm going to just coat my hair so that my hair blends good with the Freetress, because this can be a little thick. So I don't like really putting that on on the length of my hair. So I just take this and I just coat my hair. No, my hair was blow dried, so it's not really going to revert. So my hair is already in 2 sections because I did just take this out. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your crochet hook and you're going to put it through from the bottom, not from this part, because you want to try to cover the rubber band. So you just stick it up through the bottom like that, and then you just want to pull the hair through. So then after you pull it through, you should have a piece like this. Okay, so then you want to make sure like one piece is not too short. So just look at it and make sure that you pulled it through enough on both sides. So then you want to take your hair along with the Freetress hair. So basically split your hair in 2, and then you're going to start braiding. So from the way I learned, you want to take this hair this arm that appears to be in the back, and you want to put this one towards the front. So you see how it's going? Like I'm taking this hand that's in the back and I'm pulling that one towards the front, because if you braid it the other way, it'll unravel and look real crazy. You want to twist it really tight so that, because it's going to like bounce back up after you let it go. So you want to braid it pretty tight. And then if you want to, I was doing this, but you don't have to, as you go down. So once you get towards the end of your hair, you want to take some gel and then just coat that so that your hair stays in there and your hair is not sticking out of the twist. And then you just keep twisting it, and again making sure it's pulled tightly as you go. And it doesn't have to be perfect because these actually look better when they're messy. I'm pretty sure, like guys, this style is super easy. Anybody can do it. Like if you want to go out and spend $100 for somebody to do this, that's up to you. But trust me, you can do this yourself. And then once I get to the ends, I keep adding more gel so that the ends can basically kind of like lock up. And this hair is 20 inches, you guys. I'm not sure if I mentioned it. So now I'm at the end. This is how much I'm going to leave out. I'm just going to take it. I'm going to just wrap it around my finger just to kind of like seal it. So then you have your twist. And that's how it looks. So I'm going to show you guys how I do one of the highlighted pieces. So for this section, you're just going to do the same thing. I actually still have some edge control on this part, so I'm not going to put any more because I don't want to get too cakey up there. So I'm just going to rubber band this. Like that. And then this is the hair. So I used 2 pieces of the number 2 and then a half of a piece of the number 30. So I didn't use a whole piece of the 30. I took a half of it because I didn't want too much color. So I just used like a half of one of them and I just added them together. So again, you want to take your comb and make sure this is brushed. Again, this guys, this is a pre-used piece. This is the piece I just took out of this section. So again, you guys, I'm going to take my crochet hook and I'm going to go in from the bottom. I'm going to loop my hair through the crochet hook. And I like to hold on to one side and then just pull the other side through. So now you have your 2 pieces. So I'm going to take some more of my Wetline Extreme gel and then I'm just going to begin to twist. We all know how to twist. We've been twisting our hair since we were kids. This should be easy for everyone. And you just want to just keep it consistent as you go down. And again, as you go, you can add some more gel, or if you're using edge control, add more edge control just to seal the ends. And then once you get to the end, you just want to take it and then just keep twist it around your fingers a little bit just to help lock it in. And because this is curly hair, you don't have to burn it or anything weird like that. It's just going to just curl back up. And then you just have your twist. Now as you guys see, I have some highlights up in here and they're cute. So I did use 5 packs of the number 2 and then a half a pack of the number 30 for my highlights. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video on how I created my passion twist. I love them, you guys. Okay, let me tell you guys, bomb. Okay, bomb. Mine do come like right under my boob. Cute. Okay, cute. And again you guys, I did use the 20-inch hair. I love these guys. If you guys recreate this, let me know. I did not come up with this. Let me just put that out there for anybody who tries to drag me. I did not come up with this idea. I've watched probably 50, 60 YouTube videos on this, so I decided to try them myself. But you guys, I love them. So if you guys are liking these too, please leave me a comment below. And while you're here, subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.